Wala. What the fuck?
Good morning, Philippines!
What are you watching, Demps? What? What is the problem? What are you reading over there? Is there something over there? Meow! May hinihintay si Demp. What are you reading? You cannot go to upstairs. Palagi nakatingin doon. May something ba dito? What's in here? Good afternoon, Philippines! Good morning, America! Hello, everything. No, you cannot come. Hello, guys. Maulan na panahon, andin yung asawa ko, nakalimutan niyang i-close yung window. Hala, uy, basang-basa na talaga. Hala, uy, ginoo ko si Tami. Uy, naku talaga. Everything is wet. Kaloka. Na, sira na ito. Ay, nakaw. Kaano pa yan? The other day. Ay, ginoo ko tong asawa ko, guys. The other day, nag-ulan din. Nag-ulan siya. And then, 3 o'clock in the morning, malakas yung ulan. Sabi ko, did you close the window? Sabi pa niya, no. So, basang-basa yung ano dito. Kaloka, si Mister talaga. Ay, nako. Inopen niya kasi sabi ko, open the window when you shower. Kasi, yung moist, yung masisira itong bathroom. Masisira itong bathroom namin dito sa taas kung hindi niya i-open kasi yung nag-steam kasi sobrang init yung gusto niyang shower talaga. So, mag-i-steam. So, aalis po siya ngayon, guys, kasi alam niyo na ulan. Malakas yung ulan, so aalis siya. Ang gagawin ko is, anuhan ko lang siya ng pagkain para may makain siya dun. So, maghanap tayo ng pagkain kung ano yung dadalhin niya. Ito, eggplant. Yung niluluto niyang eggplant, guys, masarap, guys. Gravy. Kasi parang may makain siya doon ba? Pag andun talaga siya, gusto niya na siya doon. Guys, hindi naman ng babae yung asawa ko. Kaya kung andun siya at saka hindi niya ako doon papuntahin, mahal yung gas. And then, anong rason magpunta? Pero hindi yan ang babae. Mga kalokohan. May mga magpunta. Walang babae yan si Mister. Mabait yan. Ako yung hindi mabait. Mabait yung mister ko, guys. Hindi yan mahilig sa babae. Mahilig sa lalaki. Joke. Ay, baka ano na naman yung isipin niya. Itong joke ko ba, kahit ano lang mag-isip ko, ang isipin ng iba, totoo tuloy. So, yan, hindi yan mahilig mang babae. Maglalaki lang. Hindi ba? So, yun. Padala natin siya ng eggplant farm. Masarap yung gawa niya, guys.
What are you doing?
I'm packing food.
Oh, yeah, I'm only going for a day.
So?
So you're gonna pack for a week.
No. It's not for a week.
I know how you work.
Ay, naku. Uy, this is wrong again. I don't like this.
Oh, too much food.
No.
One day.
You will be eating, okay? You will be eating. You're not gonna be starving. So, you're good. You're good. The thing is, we don't have cover for this.
Okay.
It's okay. I will just transfer it from other container. You are coming home tonight. Kasi yung ulan is until tonight. Tignan nyo to guys. Tapos na siyang naligo. Aalis siya. And then, nilinis niya yung mukha niya. Kapag sinabihan kong linisin mo, hindi. Ngayon na hindi ako kasama, nilinis niya. Tignan nyo. Tignan nyo naman yung mukha niya guys. Nilinis niya. Sabi ko, it tickles my face. He won't do it. Now that he's gonna be alone, he clean his face. What is the plan? What are you doing?
Taking this.
Why?
Because we're using this, not that. And this, at least I can have something that's got strength in the other house.
That one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not used here?
No, I brought it here so we get it faster into that here, but this one, then they sent this new one and it's actually faster than this.
TV ba? Is the Roku is still here, right?
It's not your Roku, that's a Fire.
Han, you're coming home tomorrow.
Yes, huh? I'm still gonna be here today.
Come here, show me your face. Clean up.
I'm sure it's not cleaned up properly.
This is his food, guys. And he carry a bunch of stuff, like laptop. Why you carry your laptop?
So I'm gonna be there for a day.
Tignan nyo guys, iniwan yung cellphone niya. Kaloka talaga, iniwan. Bumalik yun, bumalik. What did you forget?
Let's say goodbye to the kids. Really?
Huh? What did you forget? You forget something.
What did I forget? My phone?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, where is it?
Well, good question.
You left it.
Did I leave it or you took it out of my pocket?
No, you left it in your office, hon.
Oh.
Accuse all the time. There's no other.
Yes, I didn't accuse nothing.
Yeah, you did. Mamayang gabi, guys. Ano na naman tayo? Mag-ano tayo ng punan sa Dalungan kasi mag-storm. And then si Roxy magwala. Magwala yun si Roxy.
Bye, Roxy Rox.
Kasi ayaw namin ng storm talaga.
Bye, Misty Monkey. Roxy's sitting there with his elbow.
Na happy.
Maryann.
Bye, honey.
Well,
Yeah. Drive careful
yeah.
because it's raining and there's a lot of trucks and stuff.
Bye, little man.
I love you.
I love you too, little man's looking at his face like, what do you mean leaving without giving me
No,
nothing?
it's okay. I'll give you
Mama will
something.
give you something.
Okay, honey, I'm not going out, hon.
Yeah.
I love you.
Love you too.
Hey, I will call you. Whatever, I'm happy what I saw. kahit lumiit ng kaunti, pero look. Oh my God. 22 to 21 something. 22 something to 21. 121. Oh my God. Diet pa more. Gusto kong pababa siya ng pababa. Ginoo ko, Lord. Gusto ko yan. Anyway, it's already 4:09. 4:05. Ang problema guys sa magda-diet is palagi kong iniisip yung food. Yun. Nag-text yung kapatid ni Tammy. Alam niyo ba kung anong tinitext niya? Naloka ako. Hindi man ako galit guys. Hindi ako galit sa text. Ay, ganda ako ka. Lang ba? Nag-text siya sa akin. Sabi pa niya, look. Hey bitch. We miss you. Don't worry. Sending you lots of of nice stuff. Ha ha ha. So I said, whatever, bitch. And then like, tignan niyo guys. Tignan niyo yan. Yun yung mga kaganapan namin kapag kami yung mag-usap talaga ng kapatid ni Tammy. Ganyan kami. Parang anik. Hi guys! Good afternoon! So, habang wala tayong ginagawa, andi nakalimutan ko na may binili pala si Tammy na string beans. So, nakalimutan ko. Buti na lang naalala ko. Sabi ko, lutuin natin ito. Alam nyo na, nasayahan talaga ako kanina sa ano. Yung tinimbang ko yung sarili ko. Kahit kunti lang yung natanggal. I think kapag ganito ako palagi, walang bread. Ilang morning na ako walang bread. Nag-bread ako, I think 2 days ago, isang croissant lang. Usually, 2 croissant, plus may extra Hawaiian, 6 na Hawaiian, ganun. So, diba, ang dami talaga, guys. And then, you know, alam nyo naman, bread. Sana patuloy ito ipababa ng pababa, kasi iwan ko lang talaga. Parang, nakakatakot yung ano. So, yun lang, guys. Wala akong ganap ngayong araw, guys, ha. So, I guess, I will see you tomorrow again. Pag andito na si Tami. Mag-vlog tayo ulit bukas pag andito na siya kasi wala naman akong ginawa. Ako lang mag-isa. Pangit yung panahon, hindi ako makapag-trim sa labas kasi may plano akong magtanim, continue, and then itrim ko yung hydrangeas, something like that, yung kahoy na ang ganda ng bulaklak, puti, bulk ba. So anyway guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. Continuation tayo bukas kasama si Mr. Hello everything! Good afternoon. It's 12:56 na ng hapon, tanghali. Wala pa si Tami pero pauwi na siya ngayong araw. And ako naman, aalis po tayo. Kasi guys, thank you so much sa mga nag-comment. Salamat sa inyo tungkol sa orchids. Oh my God! Nagpanic tuloy ako. Nabasa ko yung mga comment ninyo. Kasi 4 o'clock yung video natin. So, nagpanik ako, guys. Sabi ko, patay. Mamamatay yung orchids. My God. Pero, nilagyan ko siya ng bunot. Mamamatay yung orchids sa tagal-tagal na panahon na nabubuhay siya sa maliit na pot. Din patayin ko lang. Sabi, thank you so much, guys, sa mga nag-comment talaga. Ang daming nagsabi na wag sa soil kasi mamamatay, ganun. Kasi punta po tayo sa nursery. Grocery siya, and then half nursery. Ang dami nilang doon, and also bibili ako ng orchids, and also flower pot. Somebody's waiting on down the downstairs. Somebody is waiting. Somebody's excited. Somebody's waiting. Ilagay ko raw ito sa sasakyan ko. Just in case mamatay. Kasi hindi pa kami nakabili ng battery. So dito muna ito. Alam ko ba gamitin? Hindi ko alam gamitin. Ay. Mahangin talaga. So let's go. Si Mr. is andun pa sa isang bahay. Ang ginaw ng panahon. Wala. What the fuck? Wow, I cannot get out again. We really need to buy a battery. There's nothing on. That one is on because I'm here. Every time you get in the car, that's on. And then will automatically die. Watch out. That will be automatically die. No one will turn that light on. And the light is off in the front. Look, that will die. No, wala talaga. You know what? I'm gonna call Tommy. We really need to get a battery. We really need to get a battery. Nakakaloka. I'm gonna call him because this is ridiculous. I want him to order a battery na because the battery is stuck. Just like ano guys, hold on guys, change camera tayo. So yun guys, wala na namang battery. Kaloka. And kailangan na talaga guys kasi the same thing yung sinabi ng ano, yung sinabi ng pamangkin ni Tami, parehas kami ng sasakyan eh. Subaru, the same thing. The same thing. Sabi pa niya, yung sasakyan daw niya is 4 years. And then yung sa akin is 5 years. 5 years na. 5 years na. 4 years. So sabi pa niya, you need to change battery yung Subaru. Na ano, Subaru Legacy. Every 4 years daw. Kailangan talaga. Yung sabi niya. So every 4 years siya nag-change ng battery. Ano, so sabihin ko kay Tami na walang ayo yung walang ayo talaga. Anyway guys, ano ng oras? It's 4:07. Wala pa si Tami. Kaloka. Hindi pa nga siya tumawag na papunta na siya dito. Sabi pa niya kanina last usap namin. Come Roxy in. Roxy in. Maglagay muna daw siya ng basura. Kasi bukas is Tuesday. I try to take care of my plant guys kasi parang na-abandon na, lalo na itong si Ivy. Parang na-inabandon ko na rin siya kasi ano. My name is Ivy. Look at how beautiful is this. Pero I need to buy a bigger pot for this guys kasi sobrang intact na intact siya and then kailangan ko bumili ng parang mag-drain yung tubig kasi look. 'Di ba naalala nyo to guys, binili ko to sobrang liit pa. So ngayon nilagay ko siya dito sa basket. Binigay ito ni sister-in-law matagal na. And then sabi ko gamitin nga natin it. Ang daming tumutubo, lumalaki na siya kaya yun, sobrang ganda. Work guys kasi I think this is in the wrong way. Kailangan ko lang itong i-wrap kasi sobrang taas na niya. Yun. Ang daming namamatay guys, like this one oh. I'm going to revive this guys kasi look, namamatay siya. Ang dami sanang nagtutubo pero nasobrahan yung ano ko. I think nasobrahan ko yung tubig niya. It says over here, water when soil feels dry. But the soil is been. Hi guys, andito na si Tami. Nakakaloka kasi bumili siya ng kaya walang diet na mangyayari dito sa bahay kasi palagi niyang bumibili ng mga masasarap na pagkain. Masarap ito, sabi ko sa kanya, sabi pa niya ikat ko daw to. Parang steak ba? Sabi ko sayang naman, so sabi ko ilagay na lang sa freezer kasi roast beef, prime rib. So yun. And bumili siya kasi ito, pumunta siya sa ShopRite, binili niya ito, iwan ko. So, ginoo ko ang mahal. Oh my God. $64. Yun si Tami. And then, diba, pumunta din siya sa Costco. Bumili din siya, nagpabili ako ng ano, isda. Ibibig ko to kasi kahapon pa ito niya binili eh. And then, gusto kong lutuin na bago masira. Yun, ito salmon. So, i-marinate ko lang siya, guys. Han! It's freaking $65! So, lutuin natin ito para hindi masira.
Look at the videotape instructions.
Oh God. This is what happened when you buy ton of them. They're all the same thing. No, that's really thin. Get the strong one. So, hindi na ako kakain, guys. Kasi siya na lang yung kakain. He'll eat salad, he said. And there's a lot of leftover. Make sure it's long. Longer. That's it. That's it. Oh, no. It's open. Salmon natin is binobroil ko siya para mag-brown sa ibabaw. So, pabayaan lang natin. Anyway guys, I'm going to end the vlog. Salamat guys sa panonood. Si Tami andun sa couch nakahiga. Nag-ano lang, walang ganap guys. So, bukas na lang kami ni Tami alis para sa sasakyan. Battery. So, yun. And tapusin ko lang itong niluluto ko. And manonood kami ng snooper because finale siya 2 hours. So, yun. Manonood tayo. And yun. Hinihintay ko lang po ito kasi para makaano na tayo. Wala, nag-brown na siya. Lala. Nag-brown na. Nag-brown na siya. Ang bango. So anyway guys, salamat guys sa panonood. Kita-kits tayo bukas. And yun, good night. See you tomorrow. Salamat.